Hi guys, we are going to talk about pearls today. What are real natural pearls, freshwater pearls, and what makes them so special? Here I'm going to give you a close-up of these gorgeous white, real, dye-free, coating-free, beautiful pearls. Pearls have been always classy, the first choice of royalty, loved by kings and queens alike. Pearls can be passed on from generation to generation. Silver and pearl makes a great combination. This is a great marriage. Pearls are all natural. They are a symbol of strength. They bring peace to the wearer, the calm, and is a great stone to wear. It adds up a lot to your looks. A must-have for every jewelry box. We are celebrating the Pearl Month at Ornate Jewels at the moment. Please check us out at ornatejewels.com.